my channel. If you are new here, I would appreciate and love if you guys would subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you're new, or if you got anything or any tips or any questions or whatever. Leave a yellow heart just to let me know that you're here. If you're returning, you guys know that I love you and I appreciate you so much for sticking through this journey with me and still going on this journey with me. Today's video, as you can see, is going to be a meal prep. This is like my first meal prepping video. At first, I did not want to meal prep, but I was like, you know, it is going to be easier on me. I've been getting more busy. I've been getting more like, my clients have been booking more like consistently and constantly. So it's like meal prepping is probably what's best at this point. I mean, if you have all day to cook and feed yourself and, you know, eat the right things, then meal prepping may not be needed. But meal prepping does just help me balance out my schedule, and it's actually even like more helpful with, you know, spending wise on food. But anyway, so on today's menu, as you can see in the preview, we're going to be doing what some people call a rasta pasta, a curry, chicken, and spinach rasta pasta, or you can call it just a pasta or Alfredo, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll also be doing a vegan inspired one, because obviously I've tried the chickpeas curry ones and I like them, so I thought, okay, since I didn't have enough, you'll see I didn't have enough coconut milk in my sauce and in my pasta, so therefore I was only able to eat some for dinner, and then I was only able to eat some in my meal prep for 2 bowls. And I only do 3 bowls per meal prep because I don't really like to leave my food in the fridge for that long, because I start feeling like it tastes weird or it gets weird. I don't know if I'm the only one, but yeah, so I'm only doing 3. I may do sometimes 4 at the most, but for right now I'm just going to be doing 3. Also, I am on a 21-day fast of like no social media, no eating until after 5 o'clock and such on like that. So therefore I can only eat 1 meal a day anyways right now. Like I can have 1 meal and 1 snack a day after 5 o'clock. So my meal prepping today is only 1 meal, and you'll see that I kind of portioned it a little bit larger than I typically would if I was meal prepping for, you know, lunch and dinner. So I just want to put that out there. Disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist, not a fitness guru, none of that stuff. So just let me throw that in there real quick as well. So yeah, and also I forgot to add the spinach or whatever in the vegan inspired meal, but you can just throw in some peas, broccoli, or whatever you want to throw in the mix of it, or even eat it on side. Me, I'll probably have broccoli with it because it is important to get your vegetables and your greens in when you're on a journey to lose weight or to just be fit or healthy. Because right now, to be honest with y'all, I'm going to let y'all get to the video after this. I have lost about 30 pounds so far, maybe even more, because I need to weigh myself. And I feel like I'm starting to get a little bit too small, not in my stomach. My stomach can still drop a few pounds, but all my weight is shedding in my legs and in my butt, which I did not want, but I knew this was going to be possible. But it's okay, because what I'm going to end up doing, and that's why I said stick along with this journey, subscribe, because right now I'm in the journey and in the season of losing weight. My next season, I know, is going to be in the gym, gaining muscle, and gaining that weight back in the right places, in the right way. So stick with me and follow my journey, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. All right? Okay. Don't mind me doing that. Okay, so I just want to say that when I did this chicken and pulled it out, I did not realize that it was bone in until I started seasoning it. I liked how juicy it was, so I'm not mad at the chicken, but as far as for cooking wise, I would advise you to get bone out chicken, just saying. Unless you want it real juicy and you don't mind cooking it for a minute. Okay, so let me just say, I just started eating peppers in my food and cooking with peppers this year. So that's my excuse for why I cannot cut peppers properly. If you can't either, let me know in the comments so I know I'm not alone. And what's your excuse? Because if you've been eating it for a long time, you ain't got no excuse. I got an excuse. What's your excuse? And these noodles that I'm using are plant-based and protein, so this was my first time trying it and it was so good. Can't tell the difference.
That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try this out. If you do, please let me know. If you don't, let me know. Just please try it out. It was so good. I promise you guys, if something is not good to me, I promise y'all I will not waste my time and lie to y'all. Like, I'm gonna be real. Like, what is it gonna hurt for me to say, oh, you guys, okay, thank you for watching this video. This meal was like a 6 out of 10. It was all right, but I would, you know, I would still try it, and maybe you can put your own little spin to it to make it better. You know, something like that. But this right here was good. And if you're more of a, like, if you don't like your sauce so thick, you can add, like, low-fat milk to it, and it'll, like, you know, loosen it up a bit. Me, I like my sauce thick. So, it was so good, y'all. I just wish I had more sauce for my noodles. But other than that, I loved it. And I will see you guys in the next video, next meal prep. If you guys really enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll keep it going. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one.